puppy allies won't know what hit them.
Everything is prepared for our special super secret on-the-ground mission to the Iron Triangle. And not soon enough, with that hot zone cleared, there'll be a lot less pressure on us.
It's America back from the fight. Tell us, how is the war going? Almost done? Bombing campaigns really working? Of course they are. Our bombing campaign will cut off the Viet Cong's supply lines.
Without supplies, their strongholds will crumble.
Oh, yes, I see. And then the good old foot soldier waltzes in to mop things up.
Exactly.
And we're about to go mop up one of the worst ones yet. You heard it here, folks. War going well. USA and South Vietnam are about to launch a daring attack at the heart of the communist enemy.
All right, everyone, eyes up. Stay sharp. Those Viet.
Oh, watch out for traps, too. In the dark heart of the jungle, our boys don't just face the enemy's guns.
Where the hell did
They also face his diabolical traps, his superior knowledge of the jungle.
What do you mean, superior? Focus, people. There's something up ahead.
This just in! Website creation is now really simple thanks to Odoo, the sponsor of today's video. Odoo is an all-in-one management platform and has a huge collection of apps that help you manage your whole business. Your first Odoo app is free for life with unlimited hosting and support and a custom domain for 1 year. Odoo's website builder is quick, easy, efficient, and free. But the key is simplicity. No technical skills needed. You create and edit your site by dragging and dropping blocks. These can also be customized with your own text, images, and more. And you can make them look your way. You can change the colors, images, shapes, and typefaces directly from Google Fonts. There's a lot of possibilities. AI is available in Odoo to help you generate or reformulate your texts. I don't need to be intelligent to tell you that Odoo Website Builder is the simplest way of creating your website. Click the link in the description to create your first free website with Odoo. And now, back to the video.
What happens to them?
They can't stay here. If they do, now they're commies.
Listen up, everyone. You will be relocated to safe area to begin new lives, free of the Viet Cong. But these are our homes.
Then you shouldn't have let the enemy take over.
Private Bunny will lead you out to be relocated. If you try to return home, you will be fired upon.
Families forced from their homes, but no enemies in sight. Unnecessary evil? Oh, god damn it. Or is it a surefire way to not win the hearts and minds of the people? Get out of here!
Burn the village. We have to keep moving.
Oh, we're like all the Viet Cong.
Do you think they knew we were...
Yeah, I found something.
Oh, pay dirt.
Oh, Private Daddy.
Yes, sir.
You're the tunnel rat. Get in there, flush them out.
Oh, yes, sir. Oh, yeah, you VC bastards. Where the heck are you? Come to Daddy. Don't want to give myself away. Sorry, buddy.
Report, soldier.
Just one VC, sir. Mostly empty. Charges are placed.
Good job.
Let's move on.
Well, that didn't go exactly as planned, but mission accomplished.
Oh, seriously? But it seems like most of the Viet Cong avoided us.
You heard it here, folks. Straight from your everyday, on-the-ground G.I. Joe.
Oh, this is getting out of hand.
So, America, if the Viet Cong weren't there, where did they go? Will they just come back?
No! Damn it!
The mission was a success. The VC are out of the Iron Triangle. Saigon is safe now.
Safer!
Safer. Yeah, more safe. than before. Anyways, this war is almost over.
You ask too many questions. We have important war things to do.
How is the war going? What do you think will be North Vietnam and the Viet Cong's next move?
Oh, they don't pay me to think, Jack. Oh, yeah.
All right, shut it off.
I've got a plan.
Yes, interesting.
With America relocating people in the South and bombing everything up here in the North, oh, he's basically running your recruiting campaign for you. Exactly. So when we launch all these attacks,
The Vietnamese people will rise up against South Vietnam and the imperialist Americans.
oh, not bad, North Vietnam. Not bad at all. So we've been bombing everything with napalm, wiping out villages, forests, man.
Well, that sounds horrible.
Scorched earth, I guess. And it helps us get at VC inside bunkers, so...
North Vietnam's launched a massive attack along the demilitarized zone.
Oh, shit! So we're going?
No, you stay here. Hold down the fort. I'll go crush this attack.
One thing I can tell you, Jack, we ain't winning hearts and minds.
Nothing like napalming someone's family to turn a kid into a commie.
Viet Cong are pouring out of the Iron Triangle, attacking cities and bases all over the South. Wow, I didn't see that one coming at all.
The war has reached a whole new level, folks. The Viet Cong have infiltrated Saigon.
Keep the pen down! The people will rise up with us, and we will retake the country. With the new year comes a new future for Vietnam.
And we're hearing reports of attacks all over the country.
Ah! Charge!
Nobody diversions America! You're deceiving your own country, telling everyone the war is progressing. Almost over.
Well, I mean, the attack failed, right?
The VC in the North could go for years. You're stuck in a foreign civil war, and you ain't winning.
Enough!
Look around, man. You're napalming villages, killing women and children, and for what? Okay, you're right. We're not winning hearts and minds. Maybe I need to exit the war, but how the hell do I do it without looking like I lost?